Ready to breathe life into your animations? First things first, open Adobe Animate and set up your character. We'll start with a simple head and a basic flat mouth shape. Ensure your character's head is on one layer and your mouth shape will be on a separate layer. This will help with organization and making it easier to move around. Next, think about the sounds your character will make. Phonetics, like ah, e, and oo, dictate mouth shapes. We will focus on creating a few key shapes using the selection tool. Select your flat mouth shape, then duplicate the mouth layer a few times in this tutorial. Now, the fun begins. In the first duplicated instance of the mouth layer, let's create an open mouth shape. Choose the shape tool from the left toolbar and redraw the mouth, giving it a Y. Open shape. For the second duplicated instance, create a closed mouth using the same method for a smile. Reshape the mouth on another copied layer in an appropriate variation that is consistent with your character's facial structure. On the timeline, convert these simple mouth shapes into keyframes by selecting the instances and right-clicking to create a Create Classic Tween. Do this for each mouth shape you created by the end of this tutorial. Now for the animation, use this keyframes for each mouth shape to create a lip sync animation. Add different mouth shapes to the timeline for variations in the animation to fit the audio. Each keyframe shows a different mouth shape on the timeline. Use the playback feature to review your work. And there you have it. A basic but effective mouth animation to give your character some personality. With practice, you can master more complex shapes and timings. Keep experimenting. And happy animating! Don't forget to like and subscribe.